Tonight I've got chicken curry cooking in the oven, so I'm going to make the perfect rice to accompany it. I've struggled to make rice for years. It always used to come out sticky and stuck together and horrible. But now I make it just like the takeaway style, where the grains are separate and it's perfectly cooked. The key is 1 cup per person. But because there's 4 of us, I'm going to do about 3 cups because the kids count as 1 person. I'm using white basmati rice because it's just amazing. I'm going to boil the kettle. Whilst the kettle's boiling, let's get started on the rice. Right, so put it on the heat. Going to add in about a tablespoon of oil. I'm using groundnut oil to give it a good mix. The oil, it helps the rice to separate as it's cooking, so you need to get it all around the rice, make sure that it's all covered. If there's not enough, just add a little bit more. This makes the perfect crispy rice on the bottom as well. To help with the cooking process, I add a good pinch of salt. It flavours and seasons the rice really well. So if you look closely, some of the grains will go a little bit brown, and that's, as you can see, that it's cooking the rice. So now it's time to add in the water. So you add water just about covering the rice. Now I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Don't take the lid off and don't stir it, otherwise you'll have sticky rice and it'll be ruined. So it's been 10 minutes. It's perfectly cooked. Look at that. It's not stuck together. It's perfectly cooked. It's lovely and fluffy. It's going to go perfect with the curry.